In the world of motorcycles, cruiser motorcycles epitomize American culture, symbolizing freedom on the open road. Let's start with the Royal Enfield Super Meteor. This newcomer to the cruiser scene is making waves with its classic cruiser aesthetics. It's designed for beginners and offers a comfortable seat, plenty of chrome, and a user-friendly experience. Next up, we have the Kawasaki Eliminator. Its timeless design takes us back to the 1980s power cruisers. But what sets it apart is its lightweight build and low center of gravity, making it a comfortable and agile ride. Harley-Davidson's Nights Ter, a modern cruiser with vintage style, powered by the Revolution Max 1250 engine, offering a perfect blend of comfort and style for everyday rides and long tours. Kawasaki's Vulcan S may not have the most powerful engine, but it's a standout in terms of comfort. Thanks to Kawasaki's ErgoFit system, riders can adjust foot pegs, seat, and handlebars for a personalized fit, enhancing overall comfort. The Indian Scout Bobber 60 offers a blend of performance and comfort. Its 999cc V-twin engine delivers power, while its forward-mounted pegs and wide handlebar provide a comfortable riding position. It's a cruiser with a unique style. Yamaha's Bolt R-Spec is a lightweight and customizable cruiser. Its low seat height and mid-controls give riders a sense of security and control. Customization options allow for a personalized riding experience. If you are looking for a traditional Harley experience, the Street Bob 114 delivers. With mid-controls, a pillion seat, and an upright seating position, it offers both comfort and style. Despite its weight, it handles well and provides a comfortable ride. Honda's Shadow may not be the flashiest cruiser, but it's known for its comfort, modifiability, and affordability. It's a reliable and comfortable choice for cruiser enthusiasts. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 offers a smooth and reliable ride with a relaxed riding position. While it may not be the most exciting cruiser, it provides a comfortable and enjoyable experience for riders. The Arch KR GT1 offers a premium cruiser experience with a 2032cc V-twin engine, top-notch components, and customization for a high-end ride. Designed by Keanu Reeves and Gard Hollinger, Indian's Chief model combines classic cruiser style with modern amenities like rider modes, keyless ignition, and cruise control. It offers a comfortable ride with a bit more legroom, making it a refined alternative to other cruisers. BMW's R18 Classic offers a different take on the cruiser experience with its Boxer engine. It provides a secure and relaxed riding position, allowing for comfort and maneuverability. The unique design and build quality add to its appeal. Finally, we have the Honda Rebel, a modern and reliable cruiser available in 3 sizes. With an upright handlebar and a cushioned seat, it offers a comfortable riding position. The Rebel is known for its versatility and user-friendly performance. In the world of cruiser motorcycles, there's a ride for everyone. Whether you're drawn to classic designs, modern technology, or a blend of both.